If you want to remove text highlight in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to get rid of highlight color from selected text in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you accidentally highlighted something, if you want to clean up a document before sharing it, or if you just want a more professional-looking page. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when the next helpful guide goes live. All right, let's jump into LibreOffice Writer. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, open the Writer document that contains the highlighted text you want to remove. If you already have the document open, that's even better. Now look through the page and find the text that has the highlight color applied. Next, select the highlighted text carefully. You can click and drag your mouse over the words, or use your keyboard if you prefer. The important part is making sure the highlighted text is selected, because the change will only apply to the text you choose. Once the text is selected, look at the toolbar at the top of LibreOffice Writer. Find the Highlight Color dropdown. This is usually the tool that lets you apply or change highlight colors in the document. Click that dropdown to open the color options. Now, instead of choosing a color, look for No Fill or Transparent. In LibreOffice, this option removes the highlight completely. Click No Fill or Transparent, and the selected text should immediately lose its highlight color. If the highlight does not disappear right away, make sure the text is still selected, and try the same step again. Sometimes users accidentally click a normal color instead of the No Fill option, so double-check that you are choosing the option that removes the background highlight rather than adding one. You can repeat the same process for any other highlighted sections in the document. Just select the text, open the Highlight Color dropdown, and choose No Fill or Transparent. This is the fastest method if you only need to remove highlight from a few parts of the document. If you're working on a longer file, this method is still very effective because it gives you precise control over exactly which text keeps the highlight and which text loses it. That makes it a simple and clean way to edit your document without changing anything else. And that's it. The highlight color is now removed from your text in LibreOffice Writer. Nice and easy. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice and productivity tips, and check out the next video for more quick fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.